look at this train backing in the switch up here. He's the one driving the train. He's driving the train right there. So he's controlling the train with that control panel hanging around his neck. Full scale remote control train set. 15, 12, 10, 4, 1 foot. And you got it. Give it a tug. Reconnect the air. It's designed so when there's air pressure, the brake is off. It fills the air, brake is off. I'll tell you what, if you had to fill that to apply the brake and then you had a leak, man, you wouldn't be able to stop. This my wheelbarrow look like nothing compared to these. I'll tell you what, this is how you do the heavy hauling here, I'm gonna lie. You feel that shake the ground. And that is heavy stuff. I'll tell you what, these guys roll. Warning, under remote control. That is nice. Tell you what, there's a CSX over there. We got a CSX over there now. Yep. We got a CSX over here now. We got SD40s. Look at that.